Eggs are super versatile and can be cooked and used in many different ways. When it comes to peeling hard-boiled eggs, everybody's got their tried and tested home remedies to make peeling those eggs a little easier. You can do it under running water, you can soak the boiled eggs in cold water or even in an ice bath, or even peel them underwater, suggests Nellie's. If you really struggle with those pesky peels, you can even try steaming your eggs, as apparently, they are easier to peel due to the higher cooking temperature. But if you prefer to cook your eggs by the standard boiling method, there are also a few less conventional hacks that will have you finished with your peeling. And on your way to your favorite deviled egg recipe faster than just scratching away at those shells with your nails and hoping for the best. An egg peeling magic trick. If you're looking for a new way to make peeling eggs less painful, you're in the right place. The best, and least conventional, tip for smooth, divot-free eggs in such a flash, it's practically a magic trick. All you need is a glass and some water. Start placing the boiled egg in a glass, and filling the glass about halfway with water. Next, place one hand firmly on each end of the glass, thoroughly covering the mouth, and shake left to right aggressively. Be sure to choose a glass with a narrow mouth so you don't get soaked. You want to be able to fit your whole palm over the mouth of the glass. It may take more than one try, or you may need to refill your glass with water. But once the egg cracks in the safety of the water, you should be able to pop the peel off as a whole,